Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I am doing a Barbie look for you guys today. This is just trying to have fun and like replicate what the doll from the 90s actual makeup looked like. So I have this palette from BH Cosmetics, Summer in St Tropez, and it has the perfect pigmented Barbie eyeshadow shadows to create this look with. If you want to try it out for yourself, I will try and link this palette for you guys. So if you want to recreate this look, you are more than able to, and I'll give you guys a little tutorial on how I did it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. All right, I'm gonna start with this bright blue color, and I'm gonna just start by applying this on the lid first. This is like the perfect Barbie blue. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. I'm just gonna start by applying that onto the lid, and I'm just gonna leave a little space right there where I'm gonna put my pink on. So this is like, I'm applying it to where my eye would be open. When you see my eye closed, then you see a little bit of space there. I'm not gonna worry too much about the fallout. I'll clean that up afterwards. But, so I don't know if I'm gonna go to the Barbie movie. I don't really go to the movies. Like, I'll probably wait for it to come out on some platform that I can watch it at home. But I was obsessed with Barbie when I was young, obviously. I think my favorite one was, I had the hairstylist Barbie, and maybe that led me into my career of being a hairstylist when I first went into that. But I remember like that was one that stuck out in my mind a lot, was the hairstylist Barbie. And a lot of the times, like I would get, who would I like? I got the hairstylist Barbie with the brown hair. What else? Midge. I used to like Midge. I liked her with her red hair. Like I liked Barbie, but I also like loved the other characters as well. Oh, and I had the camping trailer. Remember that? I loved that too. So yeah, we got the bright blue going on. Oh, it's perfect. All right, I want it to be more precise, so I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush. This is just a small brush, a little bit more dense and more like rounded at the tip. Let's see, I think we're gonna go in with a sizzle. This looks like a crease color for Barbie. So I'm gonna place that right above the blue. And I'm going to like just start placing it just above the crease. I don't want it on my brow bone too much because like sometimes that just gets messy and out of control. And I feel like on Barbie, it was more precise. Like it wasn't, like you could see the definite pink and blue. So this is working, this brush using something a little bit smaller works perfectly just to guide you along the crease. I'm not gonna go in the inner corner. I'm just gonna kind of follow along the shape of my eye like that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my JH35 brush from Jaclyn Hill. This is a little bit fluffier, and I'm just going to go into Sand, which is just a neutral tone, and I'm gonna blend that up over top of the pink. And then I think I might take a little bit of Villa, which is this baby pink color, and just softly go above the bright pink. All right, I'm gonna take an angled brush, just give that a squirt of my priming mist to pick up this dark blue. So this is Super Yacht, or no, it's Bay, sorry. This is Bay, and I'm just gonna go along my lash line because I feel like Barbie always had like a dark blue liner. She didn't have black. This is definitely not a look for when you're like closing your eye. Sorry if you can hear my son yelling. I don't know if the phone will pick it up, but he's playing video games and that's just what they do. It's what teenage boys and young adult boys do, is just yell the whole time. All right, with my eyes open, looking straight ahead, I'm just going to add a little bit more pink right here. And that's easier to see just looking straight ahead with your eyes open. We're gonna do a white lower waterline, so I'm just going in with this kohl pencil from L'Oreal. And I'm just gonna do my lower waterline in the white. Sometimes she had the baby blue as well. I just might go in with some of the baby blue underneath my lash. I'm gonna use the same flat brush that I used to do the bright blue, and I'm going to go under my lash line with the bright blue as well. Now I'm going to take that bright pink and the same JH40 brush and just go right in the corner. For my blush, I'm going to use the Rare Beauty blush in Lucky. This is like the most pigmented pink blush there is, so I'm going to pop a little bit of that up on my cheekbones. And a little bit goes a very long way. For my lipstick, I used the Maybelline Pink Pop. It is $8.60, and that just gives you that really Barbie pink lipstick and lip look. And now I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous. I have this in the shade Cobalt Blue. I feel like Barbie's lashes were always blue. Not that this was gonna show up, I think, too much against the already blue that I have on my eyes, but it was definitely more true to Barbie, the Barbies I had anyways, back in the early 90s, to have blue mascara. Just put some on the bottom lashes as well. Alright, so I just put my hair in a half pony and popped on something pink to be a little bit more Barbie, and yeah, this was so fun to do. I have never tried to replicate a Barbie doll's eyeshadow before, but in spirit of the Barbie movie coming out this week, I thought I would do a Barbie look. So I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed the video. And if you go see the movie, let me know how it is. I'm sure I'll see I'm already seeing spoilers on TikTok, and I'm sure the whole movie will be online soon. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.